Everyone, myself Anushka, and today we are doing a debate on city life versus village life, and I am supporting city life. Cities are the pillars of our nation.
Hello everyone, and I am Kavita Seni, and today is the debate. Then I am in favor of village life.
Cities have education, cities promote education, cities help us to get a higher education, they have laboratories, they have better coachings, and they help a student and give them ways, different opportunities.
But you know that the city lives have more pollutions and the vehicles and so on. The garbage is sprayed everywhere.
But we also have better healthcare. If we have the problems, we have also better cure of them. We have better healthcare. We have better cleaning systems. We have many opportunities.
You know that the village have a less opportunity of healthcare, but there were no any causes and spreading illness. But in the city life, there were many causes, just like in cancer, tumor have happened in the and the case will hug case of found in the cities.
If we have illness, we have cure of them. And if you are living in a village, you are ill, you will go for a city hospital. You will go in the cities for the cure of those things. Cities have a proper structure, they have better infrastructure, they give you convenience, you can go anywhere, you can find help in cities. But in villages, if you have less things, less illness, but when someone gets ill, you have to go to the city, you have to go get help from the cities. Better healthcare for healthcare.
But for my idea, there are very rare chances that city people are ill, village people are ill. It's very rare.
It's not rare. Everyone is.
They were healthy because the food they eat are very healthy and suitable for their body. No any injections applied there, and nobody any bacteria there were, or a cleanness.
But means you want to say that village people don't get ill? They get ill, and whenever they get ill, they go to the cities. And let us look at the bigger picture. What about education? Education is something that is driving to development. For development, cities are very important. Lots of scientists do their researches, and the most things are done in cities. They help us to develop. Economic growth of a country is very important. If you don't have cities, there will be very less economic growth. What about you? What you say about this?
But you know that most success people are belonging from the villages. They complete their school in the villages, not for the city. And yeah, there are no proper education faculty in the villages, but their mind is sharply, and they're born in a very eco-friendly environment.
They are born in an eco-friendly environment. If those successful people don't get opportunities, how will they do it? For the opportunity, cities are providing opportunities. Cities are providing jobs to people. There are different medical jobs. There are different types of jobs which are being provided by the cities.
You know that the people living in the city are bounded by the closely packed in the room, and they only use social media, and nobody talk to anyone, and they feel loneliness. They suffer from alone.
Yes, I agree with you that village have people to talk with, but city have a lot things, other things. Cities provide you other things, like they have proper facilities for you. You can access anyone at any time, at any in an emergency. Cities are better than in village, because in an emergency situation, whatever kind of emergency it is, villages are very far away from villages are very far, that there is not much proper infrastructure that you can get to, that no convenience for you. But in cities it's lots convenient, and convenience also contribute to your happiness.
Do you listen about Mahadevi Verma?
No.
She is an Hindi poet writer. I read that she wrote that Padosi culture, because the city peoples know that who live in their beside, who live in their surrounding, what's happening in the surrounding. They're not aware about it. They only they only happy for live alone. They don't know about what happened.
But in villages, you only get one culture to see. You are only surrounded by your type of people. But in cities, you get among different culture peoples. There are different people, different backgrounds, from different statuses, from everything different, and they all come together.
In cities life, the peoples are forgetted their tradition, cultures, and so on, and they are attracted towards the other countries and other traditions.
But only
It's not
tradition
good.
cannot take us to the development. Development is very necessary if you want to be if you want your country to be something that is recognized in the world. Your traditions, I agree that traditions are very important, that connect us with our roots. But you want to do something, you want to better yourself. So for that, cities are very important.
But anytime you listen about that, the cases are occur, murder and suicide also, and so on. This was also happen in cities, not in village. Village has rare chances, but most of the case will occur in the cities life.
And what about the patriarchy thinking of the villages? What about the old ideology of villages where women are suppressed? Where women are not listened? What about that things in the villages when there is thing like a woman cannot talk to a man? What about those things? In cities provide you freedom. Cities provide equality for women, which gives them independence.
No, it's a time that women are talked men easily, and social peoples are also help them to convent them and so on. So women also fight them.
Think about a woman of a city in your mind and a woman of a village in your mind. You will see that the woman of a village is not that independent, not that financially stable that much as a woman in city. She is independent, she can do herself all the chores of her. But a woman in village can't do that much. I know that they have potential, but they are not being allowed to do things. There are still the things, ideologies in villages, and city don't have. City provide women equality and freedom, which give them independence.
But today's custom there is not happened that women also came on the stage and they will success in your life. Yeah, it's happened. Village girls also fight many exams, many against things.
Yep, that is happening. But cities are providing you they are giving you the jobs, they are giving you opportunities, they are giving you new ways to learn. In villages, jobs are limited. You can do only some things. But in cities, you have very multiple ways, multiple things you can do. There are very opening of doors for you.
Due to for the artificial technology and for the cities, unemployment was happen because of city life. Because of city life, many villages they not do good proper food. They not get good crop, and the rainy season was also polluted. And you know that in the city life, most of me listen that they not see clearly sky everyone
If they are having,
because of pollution.
you are having clean air, peace, environment, but that is not only thing that can give you success. For the
But,
success, you have to suffer. For success, if you want success in your life, you have to suffer. You have to live in that environment. And it's not easy to get success every time. And we see that people go to villages just for relaxation. They come after again to their life because they know they have to do something in their life. They have to follow their passion. For that, cities are very important. Villages are not opening that much ways. Villages are not having that much jobs. Villages have only a few jobs like the agricultural jobs. What about the other things? What if someone want to do anything else? Most jobs are provided in the cities.
But you know that after consuming her life, all peoples are came then in village for the peace and good nature, eco-friendly manner, and so on. They came in the last in village.
They came when they have earned through cities. Then only they came moving to villages. Why are cities? Population of cities is rising rapidly. Ask.
You say that there are many freedom of women in the city. You ever listen that there are many crimes happen in the cities? Then it is a freedom. It is a freedom. It is a independent of women. They not properly walk alone. They not feel freedom. They not get outside of the home easily. They have a feel afraid every time.
But it also happens in villages, and the most thing is that cities are having the policies, cities is having things to help them, but in villages it is not easily possible. In cities it is way more easier to convenient to help someone.
And for the bonding, because there are much better bonding of the villages life. There are all are live in their houses like house home.
I know community is important, but so is that opportunity is important in a person's life. Community is important, but opportunity is way much important as that. So if you have community, if you are not having opportunity, you can't do anything. So you need opportunity too.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Clapping.
Thank you very much.